So I'm going to show you a chart that's going to help you with your CIDR count and subnetting. An IPv4 address is 32 bits. So you have 32 places in your CIDR. And these are your values for each of your bits in each of your octets. First 8 bits, 1 through 8, 9 through 16, 17 through 24, 25 through 32. So let's say we have a /21. You used all of these bits. So that's 255.255. You stopped at 21.248. You've used none of these bits, so it's .0. So 255.255.248.0. Available IPs are going to start at /32 in descending order by powers of 2. So /32, 0, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, so forth and so forth, just doubling your numbers. Now the amount of usable IP space is always going to be 2 less than your available IPs, because you're going to have one IP for the network address, one IP for broadcast. So you're probably asking yourself, well, when am I going to use this? Well, when you go to take your CCNA, they're going to give you a piece of scratch paper. And this might be the first thing you want to write down. That's just me.